Zoe from ADRENO Brisbane. I'm here to talk to you today about SMBs, known as Surface Marker Bouys or commonly safety sausages. I have two types to show you here today. This is our 1.2 metre safety sausage. This one is for use on the surface when you're in an emergency situation. It's oral inflate only, unlike some which you can use with your BCD or regulator. So you just push down on here and blow. As you can see, you pretty much only need one breath. When you're on the surface, it stands over about a metre over your head, so it's really great for boats or anybody to find you. The main reasons you'd use this is that if you or your buddy are in distress, or you found you've drifted away from the boat and you need to get someone's attention. Once it is inflated and you've been helped or it's time to deflate, you just push down on here and roll from one end, and it will slowly deflate. So one of the biggest benefits of this 1.2 Pro Blue safety sausage is you can clip it onto your BCD, and it's so small it will fit into most BCD pockets. So our next safety sausage I'm going to show you is our 1.8 metre safety sausage. There's a slight difference between this one and the previous one I showed you before. One of the biggest benefits of this safety sausage is its use underwater. Say for example you're going on a dive and all of a sudden the current takes you. You can't surface immediately, but you need to let the boat know where you're going to end up just in case you're not going to make it back to where you told the boat you're going to surface. One way you can fill up your SMB is using your octopus. You open the hole of the bottom of the SMB. Make sure you use your octopus and not your primary regulator. That needs to stay in your mouth. You just hold this one up, put that inside and press the purge button. This action will inflate the SMB quite rapidly. When filling the SMB, make sure you do it in small bursts. If you hold down your regulator, your SMB will fill up really quite fast and it will be a struggle to hold on to. The second way to inflate your SMB is use your Bcd Inflator. Again, this can happen quite rapidly, so make sure you push down in slow bursts. When you use your SMB underwater, you need to make sure you bring a reel with you. Make sure the reel is attached to the SMB before any air is put inside. After air has been placed inside the SMB in a slow and careful manner, you'll need to make sure you hold on to your reel. Once the SMB hits the surface, you'll see that your reel stops pulling. Make sure you tighten off that reel just so your SMB doesn't fall over and you keep it a little bit taut on the string. When you start your ascent in the water and you've got your reel out, just make sure you always are pulling it in as you come up. Otherwise you'll end up with a lot of string everywhere and you'll end up entangling yourself. So every metre you go up, or every step, just make sure you wind it up. Once you break the surface, just tighten that one off. When you want to deflate your SMB, this one comes with a handy dump valve, the same as the ones you'll find on your BCD. Simply just pull this and the air will come straight out. Once again, I'm Zoe from ADRENO Brisbane, talking to you today about SMBs. Remember, it's a recommendation over Australia helping you and your buddy stay safe.